clouds look like The Simpsons or something. It's so beautiful. All alone, just like I want to be. My company is great company. There are people here, but they're far away from me. And I came to think. I came to go within. The beautiful sun. I'm making this video just for healing purposes only. If you're here because you want to see me do something spectacular or share a spectacular purchase, that's not what this video is about. It's just about feeling nature. This is where my body came from, my avatar. And I understand that we see and view life in the world with our minds. Our eyes are just a lens. We create, we're creators. How can we walk around saying that we believe in God and say God is within and not understand that we are creators? When you create, you're happy. When you're free, you're happy. And if you think for 1 second that you were born to be anything but that, then you got it wrong. I've never done this, a video like this. I'm usually showing you something cool or saying, hey, look at this, look what I can do. You could do it too. But I just want to be free. I just want to be free. I just want to record. I just want to love, because I am love. How can we say we believe in God and God is within and we not be and embody love? How? The best decision I've ever made in my life, and I mean in my life, was to stop eating animals. That was the beginning. That was the very beginning of my spiritual awakening. Connecting with the things around me in nature. I don't want to do anything but grow and connect more and more and more deeply, beautifully. I do realize that my throat chakra needs to open up more. I began using my Facebook page just to spread my ideas in the morning. That's the first thing I would do. I would wake up and get on Facebook. I would pop, my eyes wouldn't even be open. You know, I wake up and I'm going like this, looking through the covers, looking for my phone. I hate that feeling. I hate that. That feels like addiction. I hate being addicted to my phone. I don't like that. If you listen to your soul, if you're human and you listen to your soul, you know you hate that, being always walking around glued to your phone. No good can come from that. I don't have anything written down to say. I don't have anything scripted. I just want to be free. I want to connect with the earth. I want to breathe. I want to take everything in. I want to feel. I want to feel. I want to feel. And that is the only purpose of this video. That is the only purpose of this video. I lost weight. I look better than what I used to look. I feel better than what I used to feel. I think better than what I used to think. People fall off, and that's okay. I wasn't perfect. The people that are no longer in my life is for a reason. And I'm not going to act like in my past I was the perfect friend with no flaws. All I'm saying is I'm ready to wake up and grow. Because anything that's not growing is dead. I don't want to be at a standstill. I don't want to have the same people in my life forever. You know how many beautiful people it is on earth? Do you know how many beautiful people it is in the world that you can connect with? I'm only one. Yes, I'm beautiful. And if you don't say the same thing, what's wrong? What's wrong? Why not? If you don't think you are beautiful, if you don't feel powerful, why not? I'm not better than you. I am you. And the more you love yourself, the more you love yourself, the more that you love others. Because the more you connect with yourself and love yourself, the more you love others. Because they go hand in hand. You can't say that you love yourself and hate other people. You can't love yourself and eat animals and be okay with it. I mean, you could do whatever you want to do, but you can't hide from your feelings. Your feelings are real. What you feel is real. You're alive. If you can't feel anything, if nothing affects you, if nothing bothers you, you're a robot. You're a robot. And I don't know, I don't have all of the answers for everything. All I know is what I've experienced. And when I say that changing the way that I eat was the beginning for me, that's what I mean. You want to be around different people. You want to do different things than the stuff that you were programmed to do. I stepped away from religion. Once you wake up, you see things for what they are. You can't go back to sleep. When I first heard that there's a possibility that we may have to be vaccinated just to go to the grocery store or do regular stuff, a little bit of fear crept inside of me, because it's no way I'm gonna let somebody vaccinate me. That's not natural. Most of the people I know, most of the people in my circle, most of my family, friends, they don't trust the president. They don't trust anything, but they trust the idea of a vaccine and walk around with a mask on. I can't even breathe clean air with that on. I'm not doing it. It don't feel right with my soul, so I'm not doing it. I don't care what people think. When you start to love yourself, you stop caring about all the fake artificial stuff. Yeah, I still like cute stuff. I love it. It makes me happy. I deserve to be happy. I deserve everything that I want. But that's not more important than my freedom. That's not more important than my soul. That's not more important than being happy and genuinely happy. I hate holding my tears in nowadays, because I went most of my life never crying. It's just like I wasn't trying to be tough, I just was. And that's the sad part, because you don't get to experience all of your feelings and be human when you're so tough. I love being alive. The more you wake up, the more people will just start disappearing. And that's a beautiful thing, because if they're not helping you on your journey, they don't need to be there. And it could be anybody, family, bestie, it doesn't matter. Children, anybody could pull you away from you. Anybody. I'm happy and blessed because, and whatever blessed means to you, to me it means, like saying, you could think of the mind frame of lucky, happy, blessed, abundant, that kind of stuff. I'm not religious at all. I grew up in that. I tried that lifestyle. I did that for years. It's not where it's at. And that goes for any of them. That goes for all of these man-made religions. I don't care what year it came out. I don't care. I don't care how you feel when you go to church and you think your church is real. You know, I felt good at church too, and you know why? Because when you go to church, you come together with the idea of peace and love. And that's the whole point. That's the whole point of life. So of course you're gonna feel good after Sunday service, spending time with loved ones and family in a peaceful manner, because there's peace involved. It has nothing to do with the books inside the building or where you go, where you meet up at, what you wear. None of that matters. The important thing in life is to love. And I went, like I said, I went from never crying to sometimes I just be laying in the bed and I just start crying, happy tears. So I told my kids, if they see me crying, don't be sad, because it's happy. I feel free. I feel free. I'm never going backwards. I'm never going back. I notice I'm getting more beautiful than ever, and when I get rid of these bags under my eyes, the more I treat myself better, the better I look. So I really don't care how I look right now, because I just felt like I wanted to speak. I feel happy right now and free. I can't even explain it. Can't even explain it. How do you explain bliss to someone? Words are man-made too. You ever felt like you were trying to talk and express yourself and words just get in the way? Because we connect on a higher level. If people would just wake up, we connect on higher levels, deeper. It's still stuff in nature and animals that scare me. I'm trying to get off of that. I don't want to be scared of stuff. Fearless. It's people staring at me right now. They probably think I'm sad. I'm not even sad. I'm so happy. I brought food with me. I'm not even hungry no more. I'm still gonna eat it. I'm still gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat my food. But I feel so good. Feels I feel happy. The sunlight gives me information. The earth gives me information and confirmation. Do you know I get tired of saying, that's crazy, that's crazy. When I speak, God manifests. I'm a creator. When I speak, it happens. So, you guys got to understand. I want you to really get in tune with yourself. If you're even still watching this, get in tune with yourself. Go inside. Focus on yourself. Love yourself. You have to love yourself. You have to love yourself. You have to love yourself. You could look happy online and do all this stuff to look happy to your friends and not tell the truth. Keep secrets. Secrets mean nothing to me. I'm transparent. I don't care about that. What is somebody gonna do with a secret? Are they gonna chop my neck off with it? What are they gonna do with a secret? That's jokes. That's a game. You guys have to love yourself. If you don't love yourself, if you are not full, how are you going to help someone else? How are you going to change the world? If that's even your purpose. If you're a robot, you're not thinking about changing the world. You're thinking about money or something, or girls, or men, or who looked the best, or who wore something after the, or you're thinking about holidays. And I don't celebrate holidays. Every day is a holiday. Every day is my birthday. My birthday is every day. I love my family every day. I love the world every day. That stuff is silly to me. That stuff is silly to me. I don't care about, don't talk to me about voting. Don't talk to me about a birthday. Don't talk to me about that stuff. I'm beyond that. I'm beyond that. I'm not going backwards. I'm going forwards. And I want to, healers heal everyone around them. That's what I am, and that's what I want to do. That's what my concern is. My concern is living out my life purpose so that my children can see me doing this and they're going to follow, and my grandchildren. And then after that, however long this world that we live in right now lasts, that's what I care about. I don't care about who the president is. I don't trust none of that. I don't trust none of that stuff. And if you're about to let them vaccine you, you don't even trust who they pick to control you. You don't even trust the president, but you about to trust this vaccine that they want to put in your arm. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Well, I just wanted to make a video and speak my heart. I'm gonna just keep enjoying nature by myself. I'm very good company. You don't ask to be around me if you don't enjoy your own company. I enjoy my own company. I'm beautiful. I'm amazing. I'm great. I'm the bomb. When I say I believe in God and I trust God, I actually mean it. God is love, and God is within, so I am love. So my company is lovely. That's not bragging. That's not boasting. That's not bragging. That's living. Living the truth. Growing. And going right where I need to be. And allowing my soul. Everybody has a body. Everybody doesn't have a soul. I allow my soul and my inner voice to guide me. Not anything artificial anymore. Not celebrities. That's jokes. That's jokes. Oh, men should wear this. Men should do this. Don't wear white after Labor Day. Your birthday is tomorrow. Oh, it's Easter. You can keep all that out of my face. That's old to me. I'm in my 30s. I did that already. I did that lifestyle already. I did that. This is something new, and I never felt better than this in my whole life combined. I take every happy day that I ever thought I had, all of them, and combine them, and it won't compare to what I feel right now. I want my throat chakra opened up. I'm just repeating stuff I just learned. I feel it, so I know it's real, and I know I can repeat this in truth. However, I need to go deeper with it. I want to learn about all of them. I want to use my voice for my purpose. I want to inspire people. What is your purpose? What are you doing when you wake up? You just go to work, repeat. Oh, I want to, they teach us as women, maybe nobody told me this from their mouth directly, but the way that we live and the way that we're programmed, we think that getting married is like one of the greatest things. He chose me, girl. I choose. I do the choosing. I'm great. And I'm not even going to say that. I'm going to save that for later. Because I think I said enough for my heart. And as long as I'm living my purpose out, that's all that matters to me. So you guys can enjoy your day, your week, because understand that you create your life with your mind. Show me your life and I will see what you have been thinking about. I will see your thoughts. I'm going to show. This is only the beginning. This is only the beginning for me. I'm going to keep living my purpose. I'm going to keep growing. And I'm just going to get more beautiful, more happy, and keep rising higher. So I want that for everybody. That's another thing. You can't be awake in this world and not want that for everybody. I feel empathy. You're in tune. You're happy. You love people, even the stupid ones. And yes, I used to be stupid too. I did a lot of stupid stuff. You got to be honest with yourself. That's the first thing you got to do. You can't lie to yourself. Who know how to lie to themselves? And how do you do that? And why? You can't. You just try. The truth is where it's at, okay? Love is where it's at. So I want you to know I love you. I love me. And I wish the best for you. I'm going to speak the best for you. And I'm going to show everybody how to live your best life. Not just sing it in a song and get cute on the weekend and feel it. Then through the whole week, you feel depressed until you get cute and go out on Saturday night. Come on now. You want to feel blissful every single day you wake up? You want to feel happy? You want to feel real? You want to feel authentic? People love being around me naturally because of my energy. They love it. That's not bragging. That's honesty. People love being around me because I feel good. Why? Because I love people. I love myself. I make sure I'm good. That's why. I want this for everybody. It's not a secret either. It's not a secret society. You don't need no books. Everything you need is within you. Everything you need to know is within you. The truth is within you. When you hear the truth and feel it, first of all, you hear it, but you can feel the truth. And it's not in that religion, and it ain't in that government. So I'm going to just leave it at that. And I love you, and that's it. Heart Work House out.